first. Here we go.
Oh, sorry.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it held 2 without sinking. Good job. Good job. Alright, here's an interesting one.
I'm done. I mean, you're done.
Tried something different with this one. We'll see what it can do. Oh, not quite. Not quite. Ooh, can't really get it. It doesn't want to spin, does it? It might spin if we take that base off. Let's see your boat here. What are our predictions? What do we think?
2.
You think 2?
Yep.
Okay, let's try it.
Oh.
Floats. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it held 2. Good prediction. Let's see what we got here. How many do you think it'll hold?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Floats at least.
It floats. That's a good thing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3. Ooh, 4 sinks it. It held 3. All right. What do we think on this one?
Probably like 3.
3? Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, it held 4 without sinking. Here. All right. Looks like an aircraft carrier, kind of. Ooh, goes right on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 4. See if we get another one on there. Oh, it held 4 without tipping over. Okay, recording. All right, here we go. Let's see how many pennies this one holds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It held 7 without sinking. Well done. All right, here's a different design. 1, 2, 3. It held 2, and then it capsized. Okay, here's a different one. Uh-oh. 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 Oh. 1-ish. Here's what I'm looking forward to. Look at that. The thinnest size I've ever seen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 19 without sinking. Good